मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। आप लोग सबने बहुत अच्छे से मैथ स्टिक का क्रिएटिविटी किया है। वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। जो बच्चों ने नहीं भेजा है वो लोग ने भी चालू किया है भेजने को। रियली हैप्पी। आप सबको थर्सडे को सब सामान मिला होएगा स्कूल में से, पेन्स और वो सब। आपको यूज़ नहीं करना है जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूँगी। वो हमारे स्कूल के काम के लिए ही आपको दिया गया है। सो नो बडी विल यूज इट टिल द टाइम आई डोंट टेल। ओके, सो ओके, एंड नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद द प्रेयर. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. So this is the prayer that we did from the first. So we have gone back to the earlier prayer. Okay, I want you all to record this prayer and send it to me. Okay, now let's start with English Bal Bharti, page number 38. Page number 38. Okay, the chapter's name is Word House. What is the chapter's name? Word House. Word मतलब कोई भी, जैसे ये वर्ड है होम, कोई भी एक वर्ड होता है, और हाउस मतलब आप सबको मालूम है. सो दिस इज अ हाउस ऑफ डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. रीड एंड राइट डाउन द रिलेटेड वर्ड्स इन द ब्लैंक्स. अब यहाँ पे वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं और यहाँ पे हाउसेस दिए गए हैं. ओके, द फर्स्ट हाउस इज होम. पहला घर का नाम है होम. सेकेंड हाउस इज नंबर्स. थर्ड हाउस इज बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड फोर्थ हाउस इज क्लोथ्स. तो इसमें क्या है, यहाँ पे अलग अलग वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं. हमको ये बोलना है कि कौन से हाउस में कौन सा वर्ड जाएगा. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट वर्ड इज फुट. फुट क्या है? इट्स अ बॉडी पार्ट. तो फुट विल गो इन बॉडी पार्ट्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई विल टीच यू ऑल दीज वर्ड्स. We will learn all these words and then I will tell you which will go in which house. So the first word is foot. Now what you all will do, ये सब words आप अपने red and blue line book में 3 times लिखेंगे. Each word you will write 3 times. Okay? And after writing 3 times, you all will take a picture and send it to me. Okay? That is one part of English. So you will write all these words 3 times in your red and blue line book and send it to me. Now the first word is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, foot. Then we have mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Then we have coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Then we have cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Then we have TV. ये टेलीविजन का शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, TV. Then we have raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Okay. The second column we have kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Then we have father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Then we have number 4. And stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Okay, then the third column, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. इधर के साइलेंट है. ओके, तो हम सिर्फ इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं नी. K-N-E-E, knee. Then we have shirt, 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 shirt. Then we have three, three, scarf, scarf, scarf. Then we have first, one और st ऊपर लिखना है, so that is first. Then we have glass, 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 glass. Foot, mother, coat, cupboard, TV, raincoat, kitchen, father, spoon, 5, 4, stomach, knee, shirt, 3, scarf, first, and glass. So these are the 3 columns. I will make you write the other 2 columns also. The other 2 columns, first word is bag, B-A-G, bag. Then we have sari, S-A-R-E-E, sari. Then we have eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Then we have shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. Then we have socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Then we have hall, H-A-L-L, hall. Then O-N-E, one. Then wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. Then elbow, E-L-B-O-W. wrist क्या है? हाथ का ये पार्ट जो है, ये इसको बोलते हैं wrist. हम हाथ ऊपर नीचे करते हैं ना, so this is called wrist. और elbow सबको मालूम है, this is elbow. Then we have dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress. Then head, H-E-A-D, head. And bed, B-E-D, bed. अभी इसमें से बहुत सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जो हमने ऑलरेडी सीखे हुए हैं. मेरे को लगता है खाली 3 या 4 वर्ड्स नए हैं. Only 3 or 4 words are new. All the other words we have already learned. I'll just revise this. Bag, sari, eyes, shoulder, socks, hall, one, wrist, elbow, dress, head, bed. Okay? So these words you will write in your red and blue line book. After that, what will you do? You will take your book and you will take out a video of you telling all these words. आपको अपना वीडियो निकालना है जब आप ये सब वर्ड्स बोलते हो. So you will say foot, mother, coat, cupboard, TV, raincoat, kitchen, father, spoon, 5, 4, stomach, knee, shirt, 3, scarf, first, glass, bag, sari, eyes, shoulder, socks, hall, 1, wrist, elbow, dress, head, bed. Okay? This much. After you finish this, then now we come to this. अब ये है home. अब home में कौन सा word आ सकता है? Okay, I'll just explain you 1 or 2. Home. So cupboard is home. Okay, I'll just write H out here, मतलब home. अब आपको ये क्या करना है? cupboard यहाँ लिखना है. So you will write with your pencil C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Okay, I am showing you only one. The rest you will write by yourself. Okay, then TV will come in home, so I'm just writing H for you. Then we have kitchen, that will come in home. Then spoon will come in home. Then what else will come in home? From this column, glass. From this column we can say hall, it's part of home. Then from this column, bed. Okay, so we have cupboard, TV, kitchen, spoon, glass, hall and bed in home. Numbers. In numbers, what will you write? 5, I'm writing N. 4, numbers first is a number, 3 is a number, 1 is a number. Okay, any more? You can see and tell me. Okay, then we have body parts. So in body parts there will be foot, so I'm just writing B. Then there will be father, sorry, not father, stomach. Then there will be knee. Then there will be eyes, shoulder, wrist, elbow, head. Okay, all this will be part of body parts. अगर इतने ब्लैंक में नहीं आया तो आप नीचे भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, and then we have clothes. So I'll write C. Coat, raincoat. Then we have shirt, scarf, sari, socks, dress. Okay, so this is all part of different. Now there are a few which are left. Mother, father और bag बाकी है. So what do we do? Where do we put? Bag we can put in home. Bag we can put in home. And mother and father also we can put in home. क्योंकि हमारे घर पे mother and father होते हैं. So we will put it in home. Okay. So this is how, and now like how I have written, you will write it in that order. After finishing this, you will write your name, okay, and take a picture and send it to me. So you have a lot of English work to finish. Please listen to the video carefully and send the whole thing properly. Okay? You all will take out this worksheet on U to Z. Okay? So I'm going to tell you what is there in this. There's up, van, wheel, Xmas tree and 0. Okay, so you are going to match to whatever you think is the correct answer, like how you have done earlier. After that you will turn the paper and you will write all these alphabets behind and draw pictures behind. U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, okay, now what is there in this? In this sheet there is no picture from Y. Okay, what you will do is, with your own crayon, with your own yellow crayon, you can just draw a circle and color it yellow. There is a place in the middle between Xmas tree and 0. So you can draw a circle and color it yellow, and then you will join it with Y. Okay, this is what you have to do for the worksheet. Now we will start with maths. Come to page number 42. Page number 42. There are two numbers on this page, number 14 and number 15. Okay, so 13 and 1 make 14. If you remember, we had made one bundle of 10 and we had taken out 3 sticks. Okay, so this is one bundle of 10 and 3 sticks, and it's written 13 and 1 will make 14. So 3 plus 1. So 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So this is one bundle of 10 and 4 units. Okay, so 13 and 1 make 14. Then this is 110 and 4 units, and then you will write number 14. Okay, after this 14 and 1 makes 15. So now we already have 14 out here. Okay, one bundle of 10, 4 units, and now we'll add one more, so it will become 15. So we have one bundle of 10 and 5 units, that is 15. Okay, so 14 and 1 makes 15, 1, 10 and 5 units, and then you will write number 15. Okay, after writing number 14 and 15, you will write your name on this page, take a picture and send. Now I'm going to explain this in tens and ones on the board. So when we write tens and ones, okay, so how will we write number 14? So 14 is written like this, but in tens and ones we will write 1 in tens and 4 in units or ones. Okay, so that is 14. Then 15. So 1 in tens and 5 in ones. So this is 15. Okay, is that clear to everybody? So this is 14 and 15. We are going to do EVS. Okay, we come to page number 42. Page number 42. It's written skill based activities, stamping with the help of natural objects. मतलब जो हमको readily available होता है, जैसे कोई fruit है, कोई vegetable है, कोई leaves है, ये सब हमको naturally available होता है, या कोई seeds है, वो सब से ये painting हम सीखेंगे. अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे इट इज़ डन विद द लेडी फिंगर. आपके पास जो है आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वही आपको यूज़ करना है. आपके पास जो भी है अवेलेबल और आप यूज़ कर सकते हो उसको. ओके, तो अभी इसमें है ना, मैं बहुत कम दिखाऊंगी, फिर हम ड्राइंग बुक में करेंगे. सो इन दिस आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शो. मैंने एक पोटैटो लिया है एंड आई हैव कट इट इनटू हाफ. ओके, so I'm just going to show you this one small thing here. आपको सबको ये पेंट बॉक्स दिया गया है and 2 brushes. Okay, so you can use any brush, you can use any color. I'm using red. You will take little water in one bowl or in one glass, anyhow it is possible. Okay, I'm opening red color. First we'll mix the color inside this so that it blends properly. ये ऐसे करने से क्या होता है कि कलर नया है तो ये परफेक्टली हम यूज़ कर पाएंगे. ओके, लिटिल वाटर यू नीड टू टेक, बहुत कम है, एंड यू विल अप्लाई इट ऑन योर, आई एम अप्लाइंग ऑन माई पोटैटो, यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन वॉट एवर यू आर टेकिंग. ओके, अप्लाई इट प्रॉपरली, पूरे में बराबर से लगाना, नहीं तो पेंट आएगा ही नहीं. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस पोटैटो हियर एंड यू हैव टू प्रेस फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स and then you can lift it. So this is the potato impression. Now after that you can, after using the paint, remember to shut the paint, okay, and keep it very nicely. Then you can take any other color, wash the brush before using any other color. Now we'll take help of Kian, okay, and he will do finger painting around the potato. Before that I will help him to mix this color and take it in the lid little bit so that his finger can go easily. Okay, so Kian, you will dip your finger, pointer finger, and make a flower around this.
Okay.
Come. Yes, you can take more paint. Use the paints very carefully. Do not overuse anything. Yeah, so this is how it looks, like a flower with a potato inside and finger painting around it. Okay, now we'll let it dry. We will let this dry, and you will write your name and take a picture and send this. When this is drying, you will take out your drawing book. Okay, on this page we have done the matchstick. On this page we will do painting. Okay, so now I have got one leaf out here. Okay, I'm going to paint the leaf on this side with a green color. I've taken out the color out here. And you will paint the leaf. Try to paint the leaf fast because the color will dry immediately. You can take any size of leaf, any size. Just paint the way we are painting. Okay, now after putting so much, we are going to make it upside down. Usko turn करेंगे and we will put it in the center. After putting it in the center, press it. Press it for a few seconds. थोड़े time के लिए आप press करके रखो so that the whole paint comes and the design of the leaf will come. Okay. Once you think it's pressed enough, you can open it. And this is the design we get of the leaf. Okay. Now I have got green capsicum out here. Okay. We will use some another color. We can use orange. Do not forget to shut the colors once you have finished using. And always mix the color properly before using because it's a new color. So mix it well. Now on the capsicum, I've cut the capsicum into half. And apply the paint. Now I'll put the capsicum here. One. Okay. We are putting it at 2 places or 3 places depending on the space. We need to apply little paint because the impression hasn't come properly. Okay. And now on the 3rd place. Don't forget to press. Okay, this is how you will do it. Okay, after the capsicum, I've got lemon out here. Okay, so we will do some impressions with the lemon also. I will take another color. Yes, we will take a dark blue. Again, don't forget to mix the paint well. Okay, and we will try to make an impression with the lemon. This lemon painting we have done in school also, if you remember. It's become too watery because the lemon still has some juice inside. You need to squeeze the lemon properly. लेमन यूज़ करने के पहले उसको स्क्वीज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो ये ऐसे पानी के जैसे हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज़ रैंडम डिज़ाइन. कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक डिज़ाइन नहीं है, जो भी मन में आया वैसे बना सकते हो आप. एंड यू विल राइट योर नेम, टेक अ पिक्चर एंड send it to me. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.